Welcome to etvFutures.com. Today is Thursday, October 18th. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Commodities Open. Crude oil rose above $88 a barrel in New York as the dollar declined to a record low against the euro, enhancing the appeal of commodities as an investment. Investors purchase oil on speculation the Federal Reserve will cut borrowing costs to bolster the U.S. economy. Oil reached records the past 4 days on concern Turkey will use military force against Kurdish rebels in northern Iraq, which the U.S. says may damage Iraqi security and disrupt oil supplies. Crude oil is now trading at $88.91 a barrel on the NYMEX. Natural gas in New York rose after a government report showed that U.S. inventories last week increased less than analysts expected. Stockpiles rose 39 billion cubic feet in the week ended October 12th. Natural gas is trading at $7.58 per million British thermal units. Gold continued towards 30-year highs on Thursday, receiving a fresh boost from dollar weakness and higher crude oil prices. Gold is trading at $768.90 an ounce. Silver is trading at $13.865 an ounce. Today we're joined by Bob Yawger from Man Financial. He gives his short-term outlook for the commodities market.
This is Bob Yawger from Man Financial. The crude oil market making a effort to put in new all-time highs today. We're posting a high of 88.96 today, over the last couple minutes for that matter, and within sight of getting into no man's land above 89 even. Market has pulled back a little bit, but we are certainly within a striking distance of those highs. Weakness in the dollar, we have just general momentum to the upside, speculative buying behind the market here this morning. But it has failed against 89, even for the time being at least, where it has previously failed before. So we are going to find out soon enough whether that is going to serve as a strong resistance point or if, in fact, that will ultimately end up being a strong acceleration point. Acceleration point means once it gets through there, if that will bring in more buyers who are seeking to another wave to the upside. That's yet to be seen, but it has served as resistance here so far today. Natural gas number just came out, a build of 39, which is significantly lower than the expectations around 55. So that has probably tended to support the situation also. The below normal number in the natural will probably bring in some buying into natural gas, and that has rallied significantly so far here, posting a high of let's see here, 761.60 over the last couple minutes. The natural gas rallied over about 12 cents after the number came out, and we are now came off a little bit here. It's come off 5 cents, but certainly within striking distance of the highs here. That's kind of it here so far. There was some news yesterday from a Nigerian oil minister or oil official that OPEC may be prepared to meet on November 17th. They are scheduled for an informal meeting at that time as of right now, but that meeting, according to the Nigerian official, could be made a official meeting rather than an informal meeting. And he was speculating that at that time there could be more oil put on the market. However, since then, there's several OPEC officials, including the Indonesian and the Iranian oil ministers, have come out and said that there's no need for extra barrels in the market, and that the rally in the crude oil market is, in fact, more of a function of speculative pressure and weakness in the dollar and geopolitics than any lack of crude oil in the market. So that's the way it flies here so far this morning. We have new crude highs, wave highs over the last couple minutes here, and we have crude oil flirting with an all-time high. Bob Yawger, Man Financial.
That was Bob Yawger from Man Financial. I'm Caitlin Sisney. Join us again for another update right here on etvFutures.com.